guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, it's Louis Vuitton day and I would be happy to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. Of course, our practice here, I would be sharing all the information that we need to know. Kindly just ready your phones or laptop to take a screenshot, and then for orders and availability, kindly check the website and check with your CAs. Guys, I'm inviting you, of course, to make sure that you watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you could easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Premierify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us start first with the new design bag opening the runway collection for women's spring-summer 2025 collection. We have a soft Speedy here. So this is a new design slouchy Speedy in leather. It would come with detachable and adjustable crossbody strap, as you can see here. So what do you feel of this slouchy design? Next, we have a different material, so still the same soft Speedy. New design slouch Speedy in full grain leather, as we could see here, comes with detachable and adjustable crossbody leather strap. Another one of the soft Speedy, so this one still would come in the full grain leather. The colorway of this one, it looks like dark brown, as you can see here. So it would come with smooth leather trims as well, with fully detachable and adjustable leather strap. Next, we have Go 14. So this one, the color is noir. Materials in leather, and the new design of this one, it is embellished with charms, as we could see here, with chain tassel. It would come with detachable leather top handle and crossbody strap. Next, on the Runway Women's Spring Summer 2025 collection, so we have lots of Petit Malle, but first let us discuss new design of this Petit Malle, which is in monogram canvas with noir cowhide leather trims. Body is embellished with gemstones, as we could see here. It would come with detachable strap, and it comes with gold hardware or S-lock for closure. Then guys, we're going to see lots of these new top handle bags. I'm not really sure of what the name is. So this one, material is an exotic croc leather. Color is dark bottle green. Comes with top handle, detachable gold chain strap, key clochette, and padlock and key set. Next, we have soft trunk flap bag. This is really cute, guys. Materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, with trunk-like features, as you could see, and it comes with S-lock for closure. It has side trunk details with like the leather bits and the studs. Next, we have the Boulogne touch. Hopefully, I'm pronouncing that right. So we are saying that this is a touch because, as you can see close up, instead of the vachetta leather, we are noticing exotic leather trims. So it would come with monogram canvas, and it would come with detachable chain strap, as we could see here. So we have more exotic. So this one, we have the Diane touch. Materials monogram canvas. So in lieu of the leather trims, as you can see, it has noir croc leather finish. We're going to see how beautiful the detachable chain strap is as well. So what do you think, guys, of this one, the touch version of Louis Vuitton? Next, we have another soft Speedy. So again, soft Speedy, quote-unquote touch, because main body is monogram canvas, but zooming in on the leather trims instead of the vachetta or leather trims, we are seeing that it has the croc finish, and it would come with this new design braided chain strap. Next, we have leather Speedy. So we are going to see now a leather version Speedy in exotic croc finish, as we could see here. So colorway is like a dark bottle green. It would come in a very structured design. Next, we have this cute side trunk touch. So again, touch I'm saying because the leather trims that it would come with would be the croc leather trims, as we could see here. So main material is the slouchy monogram canvas. It would come with detachable chain strap with braided detail. Next, we have two bags. So we have the side trunk in leather and we have a leather tote bag. So the material for both are leather. So the tote bag has exotic croc finish touch, rather it would come with padlock. And the side trunk is like the east-west version. Then we have a fan-shaped bag. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims or vachetta. It would come with detachable leather strap or key clochette. So as you can see here. So please comment down below how do you feel about this fan-shaped bag by LV. Next we have a leather tote bag. Materials in leather. So as you're going to see, it fits the quiet luxury theme. No visible Louis Vuitton logo. So this is a top handle bag. It would come with a padlock, key clochette, and key set as well. Next we have the Never Full. So guys, this one, so this is the first time, or maybe correct me if I'm wrong, but this is the first time that I'm seeing the Never Full in exotic croc leather finish, as we could see here. So no visible Louis Vuitton logo. So how gorgeous this Rouge colorway is. Next we have side trunk and leather tote bag combination. So it's same as the bags a while ago. So we're going to see the very beautiful cream color of the tote bag, and of course the side trunk east-west is standing out. Alright, so next on the runway, so this is a reissue bag. I'm not sure how to pronounce this, but it's Noctambule. So this is a reissue of a 90s vintage design. So guys, zooming in on this one, the material is a combination of epi leather and patent leather, but it comes in the dame pattern. So this is a top handle with detachable bag tag. So later we're going to see more of that bag. But here we have the combination again of the side trunk and leather tote combo. So we're going to see the tote is in the burgundy colorway and the side trunk east-west, so in the violet colorway. Next, we have the Go 1-4 in leather malletage quilting design and finish, but it is embellished with chains, as you can see here. So how do you feel about this design? Honestly, I'm not really loving the look. The chain, it looks like hair, and I'm not really happy with the design. So next, we have the re-edition or reissue of the Noctambule of the 90 re-edition bag. So this is like a newer take of this design, but this one, it comes in the dame ebin material, coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with bag tag with padlock and key sets. Then we have the leather Speedy 25. So this one, of course, is an exotic croc finish in the orange colorway. We're also going to notice the different braided chain strap detail that is fully detachable, and the look of this one, it's very structured compared to the men's version. So we have the Noctambule reissue, but this one, guys, is in the east-west version, as we could see here. So this is like a baby version, and the material is the very beautiful dame ebin canvas, and it would come with the LV logo gold stamping in front. Then we have another fan clutch bag design, but this time it would come in the dame azure version. So the main material is dame azure. It would come with vachetta or cowhide leather trims, and you could wear this one as a wristlet bag. Next, we have the Noctambule reissue east-west version. So this is the leather version that would come with the epi leather, patent leather, in the dame ebin pattern, as we could see here. I'm really loving this design, so I'm thinking of check this one on the vintage market as well. And then we have more Petit Malle. So first we had the Petit Malle in quilted leather designs. As you're going to see, the quilting looks very puffy, very soft. Also, the top handle kind of reminds me of the Coach Pillow Tabby. What do you think of this one, guys? Then next we have more Petit Malle. So this one I really love the design. So maybe if I'm going to purchase a Petit Malle, this would be a great contender, because just look how brilliant this design is. It's like a stacked Louis Vuitton mini trucks, right? So this is very cute and definitely a collector's dream. Then we have another Petit Malle. So this one, guys, I tried to zoom in. However, I could not really identify what the material is. But looking at the photo, it kind of looks like a cork-like design. But definitely, I think I am wrong. But it has silver hardware and detachable chain strap. Next, guys, bum bag. Then definitely you would want to check this out. So we have the new bum bag design. Material is in the dame azure. So it would come with cowhide leather trims. So what do you think of the new design of the women's bum bag, guys? Next, it would come also in the dame ebene pattern. So glad that they're bringing the dame ebene back in the dame azure on the runway. So as you can see here, so if you're definitely a huge fan of bum bag, definitely you would want to check this out with your CAs. Next, we have a trunk handle bag, as you can see here. So I'm not really sure if this is a coffret. So this is a Louis Vuitton trunk with top handle. It is painted with a masterpiece artwork. And last but not the least, guys, so another contender if you are going to purchase a Petit Malle, definitely this one is a winner because this Petit Malle is embellished with rhinestones or crystals. So definitely it would look sparkly and really, really beautiful. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a shopping bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing family by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 4 to 5K subbies this year. Also, please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!